How to fix Snapchat camera not working on Android. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to show you how. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So if you're having that kind of issue, first thing is check the permission settings. For that you may head over to the main settings of your device. And then from settings scroll down, go over to the apps. And after going over to apps, search for Snapchat. Type in Snapchat in the search. Open it up. And after opening up, go to permissions and then see if you have allowed camera or not. If not, tap on it and tap on allow, and that should do it. Apart from that, head back and go to the storage option from uses and then go ahead and clear the cache also and see. Once that is done, you may just go ahead and close up your settings and go to your Play Store or your available app store on your device. Go to the search and then search for Snapchat, and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Otherwise, you can try uninstalling the application and again reinstalling the application to solve the minor glitches. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and try basically restarting your device as well and see if that fixes the issue, because sometimes that also fixes the temporary glitches. Apart from that, if none of those steps work, what you can do is check your phone's camera, because physically maybe the camera has been damaged. So if it is, you can just go to the nearest store and try making up for your camera. And that's it. These are some of the solutions you can follow up in order to fix the Snapchat camera not working. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.